This video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations on how to get rid of the new ransomware type program called Spark. The ransomware called Spark encrypts all the data that the customers store on their computers. So before the ransomware attack, definitely there are no problems opening any file types such as pictures, video files, music, Microsoft Office documents, Microsoft Word, Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and other documentation pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the safety and security of the specific computer, this Spark ransomware may easily become the part of the system. And then, because of that, pretty soon people realize that they cannot use the files anymore. Now you can clearly see why this ransomware is called Spark, because it encrypts the files and also adds this special Spark extension. When you try to open the file, you cannot open it. It says Windows can't open this type of file with the Spark extension. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, and it also provides this particular email address. It also gives you some time during which you need to pay the ransom, but we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee the file recovery. So don't ever pay the ransom. First thing you could do is to check the task manager if you can. Some ransomware type infections allow you to actually use your task manager and some not. If you can't use the task manager, we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program. First of all, the program will most likely update its anti-malware database. And this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your case, the program would most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, and then it will begin scanning and researching your system. Please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So we recommend that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure and protected in the future.